Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn TypeScript. So first of all we will see what is TypeScript. TypeScript is a typed superset of JavaScript. It means TypeScript contains features of JavaScript plus some additional features. We said it is a typed superset. Typed superset means it contains properties with data types, but in JavaScript we don't have data types for variables. TypeScript is a pure object oriented programming like Java, C Sharp. So when we say it is pure object oriented programming, so we have classes, interfaces, etc. in TypeScript. TypeScript is Angular 2.0 is also written in TypeScript. So let's start to see how we can install TypeScript on our system and which prerequisite softwares are required to run TypeScript on our system. So first of all we need Node.js. So open your browser and type types Node.js. So here we have Node.js. Click on it, download it and install on your system. So to see Node.js is correctly installed on our system, we can run uh, this command node-v. So we have version 14.8.0 installed on this system. The second thing which we need must be installed on our system is NPM. So similarly you can download and install it on your system. To check NPM is installed correctly on your system or not, you can run node dash sorry npm dash v. So 6.14.7 version of npm is installed in this system. The third thing, we need to install TypeScript. To install TypeScript we must run this command npm install dash g. G means globally, and type script TypeScript. It will install npm sorry, this is npm. This will install TypeScript on your system, so it's installed. To check TypeScript installed correctly, run this command tsc-v. So TypeScript version 4.1.3 installed on your system. The last thing that we need is IDE or text editor we will use to write TypeScript codes. So we will use Visual Studio Code. Download it from this site. Click on download for Windows. So it will be installed and it will be downloaded, and you must install it on your system to write TypeScript codes. So in next tutorial we will write first TypeScript program. Bye bye.